Well, here it is early Saturday morning and I'm at Swope Park and I'm about ready to run the Run for Raptors, which raises money to save, rehabilitate, and keep birds of prey that have been injured. So I love doing this race, and what I especially love about this year is we are only doing one loop. We're back on the large loop. We're gonna be doing, actually it's a 10K, but we're gonna be doing almost an 11K. I'm very excited to do this. We have perfect weather after last weekend's hot, humid, horrible experience. So let's get to the start line and get this race going.
3, 2, 1, go!
Here we go. Okay, we're about ready to head onto the trail. This trail is a little bit technical, especially here at the start. I'm slowing down because we have a lot of race to go. Thank you. This is a nice downhill. This part of the trail is less technical than the first part. I stopped filming right before I caught my foot on a root and almost tripped. Let me know when you want to pass. Will do. Beautiful rock formations. Watch your head. Good job, runner. The pressure's off me now. Woo. I was just passed by a strong runner. Two runners behind me. If I slow down at all, they'll pass me. Good job, runners. Good job. We're gonna stop for water, but I brought my own cup. I'm kind of surprised they have plastic cups in a trail run. I'm glad I brought this. Okay, down this way. Good job, runner. Good job. Good job, runner.
Thank you.
Yeah,
We're getting there.
we're getting there. I'm being passed by a lot of people.
We're getting there.
Thank goodness for downhill. I just saw a sign that said almost done, and I hear cheering ahead. I love it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, I did it. Yay.
Yay!
Okay, I'm done and I did great. I got this awesome medal and had an amazing time running this course. They had it laid out so well. If you haven't run this race, you need to do it next year because it's not only a great race, it's for a great cause. And if you like this video, I ask that you like, comment, and subscribe, and keep watching because as you know, this is the year I got the runs and I'm a great cause. See you later.